Joe Gibbs driven. Well, I gotta tell you, this thing's pretty cool. It folds up into a chair. See the folds up. There's a little thing at the end here you gotta pull. A little knob. Anyways, I'm packing up the stuff. Got the stock wheels going back on. It's a hybrid, half SS, half stock. But I figured I'd change the oil while I'm under here anyways. It's at 3,000 miles, and I'm getting oil all over the driveway. Drip, drip. Yep. Changing the oil. I gotta tighten up those sway bar links too. Those things. Yeah, let me see if I can get some light. Right there. I gotta tighten those sway bar links up. They're making noise on both sides. Yep, tighten those puppies up. And I'm thinking about changing my O2 sensor too. Wherever the hell that is. I think it's after the cap, but I'm not sure. Yeah. I'll find it. After I do my oil. Everything's greased and ready to go for the winter pretty much. Rust. Nothing gets better with age. And it's almost time to put the plug in. Drip, 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 drip. Yep. Got my oil filter. Oil drain plug ready to go. From Napa, of course. And those are the back tires. Spend all day on my truck. Got nothing else to do. Hey, Poppy, what are you doing? Look at her. You look at me like, can I help you? Anywho, I gotta clean my truck. I think I got some concrete spray all over my truck. All that white splatter. Got on the headlights and the bumper. All that white splatter. I'll try and get that off today too. What are you doing? A puppy? What are you doing? She's a good girl. So that's it. Caliper's done and on. I got a lot of colors in here. Purple, red, silver, black. A lot of colors. There she is. There's my truck. Getting some work done before the snow. Big snow today. 6 or 7 inches. My hands are frozen. Really cold. And get to it. Put this drain plug in. We're gonna go on. Bring you guys along for the ride. Turn the light on here. Light. Ugh. Plug it up. Which one was it? Oh yeah, it's 15. Oil filter's up there. That's gonna be next. I gotta empty this shit out first. Don't spill it. Don't spill it. Alright, camera's gotta go in my mouth, so hopefully I won't drop it in the oil. Okay. Yummy camera. Flammable. Stay. Like my new boots. Got it for my new job. Wipe it off. Don't want any drip on the driveway. My dad's so anal about this driveway. I don't know why. Don't know why. Brand new calipers. See if I can take that puppy off. It's going. It's going. Slowly. There it goes. Start dripping soon, I know it. Yeah, there it goes. That's dripping. Adjust this. And I'll let it sit there and drip for a little bit. Yuck. Yeah, I don't wear gloves. I'm young. I'm sure when I get older, I'll be like Corvair Wild wearing gloves. But hopefully he's having fun on his trip. And I wish him a safe return to the Adirondacks. And maybe this, oh, dirt. Maybe this winter I'll go up there and visit him. And the Spider, maybe crank it up. Crank up his Corvair Spider. Show him all my grease on my truck. Because he is right about that. Corvairs. Didn't do too much with it this summer. Bought a lot of Corvair engine stuff. Got my pistons. Oh, I didn't show you my pistons. Pistons! Corvair pistons! 40 over. I think you can see it right there. 40. 40 over pistons. Already done. Big holes are rounded. And my jugs. I'm going to put those on my motor. Put it in my motor. What?
My phone.
Your phone? She wants her phone. I guess she wants this. I don't know why you would want that.
Thank you.
Anyways, so that's my update for now. Make another video in a little bit. Replace my O2 sensor probably. Alright guys, see you later.